I have built the ultimate voice receptionist for dental clinic, and what it can do, it can update, cancel, reschedule, book, and check the availability for the appointment. And also, it can send confirmation email and save all the data in the Google Sheet. So, before we start, my name is Obad, and I build AI automation for businesses and if you want any kind of automation or system like this, you can check the second link in the description below. You can book a one-on-one call with me. So let's get start this video. And first of all, we will see the demo. Then I will tell you, I will walk you through node by node about this automation. So first, you will see the demo.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hey, I want to book an appointment.
Hi there. I'd be happy to help you book an appointment. Could you let me know what type of visit you're looking for? Like a checkup, cleaning, or something specific? And do
Yes,
you have a preferred date and time in mind?
yes, I want teeth whitening service.
Great. Thanks for letting me know you'd like a teeth whitening service. Do you have a preferred day and time for your appointment? Or would you like me to suggest some available slots?
Yes, I have tomorrow 1 p.m. is available.
Let me check if we have a 1 p.m. slot available for teeth whitening tomorrow. Awesome news. We do have a 1 p.m. slot available for teeth whitening tomorrow. Could I please get your full name, phone number, and the best email to reach you at so I can complete your booking and send a confirmation?
Yes, my name is Ubad, Ubaid.
Thanks, Ubaid. Could you also share your phone number and the best email address to
Yes,
reach you at? That way, I can finish up.
my phone number is plus 92 319 782 5613, and my email is ubad ubaid dot ai dot official @ gmail.com.
Booking the 1 p.m. slot for Ubaid for teeth whitening and sending confirmation. All set, Ubaid. Your teeth whitening appointment is booked for tomorrow at 1 p.m. You'll get a confirmation email shortly at ubaid.ai, official@gmail.com. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, thank you.
You're very welcome, Ubaid. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Goodbye for now.
Okay, so let me go to the my calendar and we will see. I have an appointment for 1 p.m. For new appointment for Ubed at 2025, the date and time and the service. And also we also have the data in the CRM, and also let me check. We will see the email. Yes, I have received an email. Hey Ubed, your appointment has been successfully booked. Thanks, Bright Smile Dental. So hope you like the demo. And before we go through this whole system, I would I would request you guys to please go check out my Instagram. I also post content there as well. Um, you can follow me if you like my content, and also subscribe to the channel, and also like the video if you are watching till now. So we have three different things. One is this webhook. One is this main scheduling agent, and third is this a post call agent. So in webhook, what we are receiving the whole transcript of the call, and in here we will get all of the things that we want to. Just wait a second. Okay, so in this we are getting the reason and the phone number, name, and booking time, action book, and email, and the webhook URL. Okay, then we have this main scheduling agent. We have give it a user prompt, which we have written all of the instruction, like you have to access to the Google Calendar. Your job is to book, reschedule, or cancel appointment according to the instructions or variables provided. I have given the time. so the time would be correct. Because in some cases, if you don't give it the variable of time now, so it will book in the past, like 2023, it will book a appointment for us. And in a context, we are getting these things like a book, action book, booking time, and reschedule. We are not rescheduling it and not checking the availability. We are just booking, and the lead details are the name, phone number, and the reason, and all of the instruction are given here. Then we have these 5 notes of Google Calendar in what to be your update, cancel the appointment, book, check availability. That and if I open the update thing, I have just connect my Google account. Then I will give it my email address. Then just all set this use reminders, and I have clicked this thing here to AI will predict, AI will define whatever it will be. Then we have this post called agent. We have give it a prompt. Name is this, phone number is this, email is this, reason is this, and here we have give him a system prompt, system message, your role. You are an expert post called AI agent for a dental company, name, and all that is stuff. We will put all the things. The task, your job is to send confirmation email to the customer and also enter contact information inside database. You will also send a confirmation reminder via SMS to the dental clinic. Right now, we are sending it through email. We can also connect Twilio to send it to through SMS, and the email would be like this in this format. And we have this Google Sheet note where we are get saving all of the data, and here we have um, Gmail note. So we will send the data. Uh, so we'll send the confirmation email. We will also change this text to the HTML to make it hyper personalized for them. And also, it would be for the branding purpose, like a header, a footer, and all the things. Now the main thing comes: how would we connect this automation, this whole system with the retail AI? We are using, by the way, retail AI to for the voice agent. So we have the function here. You will see the functions. Then here we have added the appointment. How you will add this? Just go here. Just click the custom node and name it. Then open it. Give the description. Your endpoint URL. Where you will see. Just open it. Go to the production. Copy this URL. Double URL, then go back to your retail AI dashboard, paste your n8n webhook URL in, like, this is the main thing that you have to do in the correct format. So in the object properties and reason type string description, the reason for the appointment would be consultation, follow-up, or checkup, or anything. The new time, all of the things we have given give him into the in JSON parameter. And if I just convert it to, no, sorry, it converted to the form. So we will see what actually the thing is. So here the reason, schedule time, phone name, booking time, action, email, availability time, and these 4 things we want required. We are required these 4 things to book an appointment or check the availability. Okay, and don't worry, you will get all of these things with instruction, with the system prompt, and this custom function node, JSON, all other thing, and also this whole system. Just to click the first link in the description below, join the WhatsApp group. I will share the video and also with the workflow there, so you will get this. So for now, I will just close it, and this we will also review this system prompt of our voice agent. We have given a role, current time. We have given a current time variable, current time Asia Karachi, and a task. Then initial greeting would be like this: appointment scheduling, canceling, rescheduling, confirmation and closing, and all other things. We have given an example of how the patient or how the person would book an appointment with us. So hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and hit that like button. And if you have any query regarding um, anything, you can comment. I will reply. I will give reply to you. And also, if you want any kind of custom automation or any kind of thing or this automation for your business, just click the second link in the description below. Book an appointment with me and one call with me. And also, if you want this complete automation with the with setup guide, just click the first link in the description, join the group below. And thanks for watching this video, and kindly subscribe the channel. Bye bye.